It's been a while, but we're back. This time around, let's discuss the CMMG Dissent chambered in 5.7. Let's go. Off top, this is a SBR alert. The tax stamp robbery fee has been satisfied. If you feel some type of way, stay in the house. Starting up top, you're looking at the Primary Arms SLX Micro Prism Gen 2 Cyclops with the green reticle. Whoa, a lot of words. It reminds me of a mini ACOG. PA really knocked it out the park with this. It's in a nice budget price range and built like a tank. The reticle is crisp, clear, and illuminated. Moving forward, the lighting system. I must admit, I'm usually a cloud defensive fanboy. However, the Surefire Mini Scout Pro is pretty minimal in structure and meets the aesthetics I was going for. It feeds off a 123 alpha lithium battery and cracks the darkness with 500 lumens. I paired it with the Surefire Sierra Romeo 07 light switch. It features a momentary pressure pad and constant on push button. Fits snug on the Picatinny rail. Just under it is an M-LOK Samson vertical grip in a grenade design. This stubby doesn't house a storage, but I dig the smaller grip for the setup. Since we're on tax stamp items, attached is a JMac Customs 1913 folding stock with a rubber butt pad. I also attached a 1/4 inch cheek riser. JMac is a solid brand, and if you know, you know. I swapped the factory grip to the B5 Systems 23 grip and a strip of goon tape for comfort. The safety selector has been swapped out for an LWRC I had laying around. The Dissent came with two 32 round conversion mags, and I think I got an extra mag from Midway USA. The Dissent 5.7 is a smooth and flat shooter. It absolutely does not kick. This is a 6.5 inch barrel with the 1-9 twist. It's a side charger with a non-reciprocating handle. It can be moved to either side, so you lefties weren't exactly left out. It's bufferless, which is how I'm able to add the folding stock. The flat trigger is a 4-pound TriggerTech 2-stage trigger. CMMG really built this pew-pew pretty solid. It's lightweight, thin, and the full mags are lightweight too. This could be a good candidate for the backpack / truck pew-pew. And there you have it, the CMG Dissent chambered in 5.7. Until next time, peace.